It's a very common scenario that you leave your wallet, keys, bag, or any expensive accessory behind metros, buses, coffee shops, or any other place. In this case, an AirTag is a tile competitor that allows you to track down your objects accurately. As the white and shiny AirTag doesn't come with any case, you should get a case that can preserve its beauty while letting you attach them to your belongings. Therefore, in today's video, we have talked about the top 5 best case for AirTags. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Soft, flexible, and versatile. Yes, that's exactly what comes to mind when you see the Nomad stretch fabric mount for AirTags. You can use it along with your purse, camera backpack, expensive jacket, and everything in between because its premium bonded power mesh can stick to virtually any surface. It has double hemmed closure for a secure fit, ensuring your tag stays protected from impact and as shiny as new. You won't feel any bulkiness while keeping it in your pockets since it features incredibly lightweight construction. If you're looking for a lightweight case for your AirTag, then Nomad Stretch Fabric Mount is ideal for you as it's soft, flexible, and versatile. Do you frequently forget where you leave your keys? Then the Nomad AirTag leather keychain has got your back as it's designed to keep the powerful location tracking device permanently attached to your keys. It's constructed with renowned vegetable tanned Horween leather, which is one of the oldest American tanneries, providing a premium glossy look to your AirTag. The keyring has been made from the rust and dust-proof black PVD stainless steel that perfectly blends with the Horween leather while assuring your tag securely stays safe with your keys. Overall, the Nomad AirTag leather keychain is specially designed to ensure you never lose your keys again and easily track them back. From your keys to valuable belongings, keep your Apple AirTag safe with the CYRILL vegan leather, a simple yet lucrative case that is specially designed for the modern minimalist. It's made from premium eco-friendly vegan leather, which is designed to blend with your style. You can easily attach your AirTag as it comes with a firm button clasp for easy application, which protects against scratches. The stylish clip on the carabiner ensures you can attach your personal belongings just by pressing your thumb, while it also acts as a keychain, which means you never lose anything again. If you're looking for a simple yet stylish case for your AirTag, then the CYRILL vegan leather is the ideal option to choose. Built for anything and lasts long for everything, because the Caseology Vault is the most rugged case on our list and built to enhance protection level to the next level. Weighing at 10.58 ounces, it's manufactured with the robust sandstone textured TPU material to keep your tracking devices safe from outdoor impact and won't disrupt signal or sound transmission. If you travel a lot, it can be ideal for you since its convenient carabiner allows you to clip on and go. You can even attach it to your fluffy friend's collar. So if anything gets lost, you can easily track them back. It comes with a lanyard hole where you can lash your keychain, carabiner, or a lanyard, keeping your essentials close. If you want to maximize your AirTag protection, then nothing can beat the Caseology Vault, and it's a perfect companion for travelers. Coming at number 1, we have the Apple AirTag Loop Because what could be better than Apple's own product? And it's the most lucrative and versatile gear on our list. The loop is made from polyurethane and comes with enclosure fits that tightly stick around your tracking device to ensure it stays put together so you can keep track of whatever it's attached to. Its wristband type strip has a loop that allows you to hang it with your belongings and lets you adjust the size according to your needs. This case also has a double window like the CYRILL vegan leather, but it's wider than its competitor while bringing the aesthetic look of your tracking device. However, its wider window increases the chances of getting scratches, but you can easily prevent it by installing a protector and won't bother with the signal or sound transmission. So that was all about the top 5 best case for AirTags just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.